Hey everybody, Merry Christmas. I'm showing the review of my Angry Birds Starwars Playset I got from Christmas Eve from my parents. Right here is the Red Bird as a Skywalker, the slingshot, and here is the Piggy's Fortress, and this one's Jabba. This one's one of the minions, and these are kind of like some dices you need for the game. So this is like a base of Star Wars, but they kind of made Angry Birds Star Wars a version of it. And on the side of the box, they show the Death Star and the Hoth battle. And it's kind of based on the Jenga game, and it's on the Toon Battle game. So you kind of have to launch. There's like a hole in the other bird, and you have to try to launch him. Here, I'll show you. Just let me put the camera right here. Wait for a second, folks. Okay. Yeah, cause kind of like, can you hold the camera for me?
Yeah, hold on.
And kind of like this. You try to like knock out these pigs. See, like this. And this is like a different Luke Skywalker. He's in his like black shirt. You see like right here, like kind of like right here. Never mind that. And like you have to try to roll the dice, and someone like show like to build, and some of them have like the turns you have. Okay, now let's go to the people now. Just wait for a second, folks. The first one we have is the Red Bird, and he's Luke Skywalker. The next one is like Jabba. He's the like pig. And this is the pig's monster helpers. I don't know what they are, but I'll figure that out later. And I got this, and the camera that I'm recording, my parents gave it to me like this Christmas. Just put the guys back, and then I'll show you how to launch them. Just wait for a second, folks. Just wait. Cass, are you calling like to help me? Are you calling to help me?
What are you doing?
Like hold the camera for me so I can show them how to play the game. So you try to roll the dice and they give you a turn. I got 3 chances. You have to pull like this little handle down and watch. I knocked down 1, so I need 1 more. I only have 1 more chance. Okay, so that's how you play Angry Birds Star Wars games. See you later for next year. Oh, so that's what the case was. Pass it, Cass.